Hello, what's up today? This is Timothy here from Omatule.com. In today's video, I would like to introduce you to what is called affiliate marketing. Now, what if you can convert those followers of yours on social media to cash? Now, you have a Facebook group, you have followers on Instagram, a lot of followers, or maybe you have a website that have lots of visitors. You can convert those visitors and followers of yours to cash with affiliate marketing. Now let me tell you what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is promoting another person's product so that when there is a successful sale, you get commission for it. Now, when you register for an affiliate program with any company, you are given a unique link, and that unique link is specific to you. That means it is only you that have that link. So that when you are promoting those companies' products, you include the link in your description. So the link now becomes the only doorway by which people can access that product through your description, except if they want to look for another way to access the product. Otherwise, as far as your own promotion is concerned, your link is the only way they can access that product. So if they are able to access the product and make posts, those companies have a trusted software that record that such sales came from you, and they are trusted. They have been in the business for over years, so that they are reliable, and they will give you a commission that so sale comes from so person, and automatically you earn a commission for that. So that is how it works. Now, the advantage of affiliate marketing is that it is passive income. That means you don't need to be actively involved before you can earn money from it. You may be sleeping while somebody is buying your products. You can do it from home. You don't need to be in the office before you do it. You can even do it from the village, so far you have internet connection. Then, the amount you earn does not depend on the economy of your country. Take for instance, if the economy of Nigeria is bad and you are promoting a product that is sold in America, then the amount you are going to earn does not depend on the economy of Nigeria. The amount you will earn depends on the amount that product is sold. And take for instance, if dollar starts rising against naira, the amount you'll be getting is dependent on dollar. It doesn't depend on naira. So that is one of the advantages. Then another advantage is that you can automate the process. You can automate it so that it will be running on its own. You set it up and it will be running on its own. Now let me tell you, there are two types of income. There is active income and there is passive income. Active income is an income that you have to be involved before you can make money. You have to be actively working before you can make money. Take for instance, a bricklayer that goes to site to lay block. The amount of money he will make depends on the number of blocks he lays. If he lays 100 blocks, he earn money that is commensurate with those 100 blocks. But if he lays less than that, then he earn money that is commensurate with that number of blocks. But for passive income depends on the investment that you have done in the past. Now, if you promote a product through affiliate link, maybe you make a post with an affiliate link, that post can be there for 10 years to come, and just post it and leave it there, so that maybe in the next 5 years people are still going through that link to make posts, and you'll be getting commission for it. That is what passive income is all about. You'll be making money from the investment that you have done in the past, and it has a geometrical progression, so that it will be increasing geometrically. That is one of the advantages. Now, what you need now is how to set it up properly and the acceptable way of promoting those products, because there are a lot of platforms does not allow you to post directly to their platforms. And also, you need a free traffic. You need to learn how to drive traffic to those products, because after you have posted it to where I will show you on how to post it, you need people to be aware of the product so that they can buy. Because no matter how good a product is, if people are not aware that such product exists, then they will not buy. And if they don't buy, that means you are not earning anything from it. So you need to learn how to drive free traffic to those products. Then apart from that, you can also use advertisement. So I'll also teach you how to run advertisements so that you get people to know that the product exists and they can buy through your link. There are so many things that I need to teach you in this affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more, then click on that link and meet me on the other side, where I put you through in all the detail from the beginning to the end. Thank you for watching the video, and see you again. Bye.